You know where I met him at?
Where?
At a hot dog stand.
Yeah, he did your first interview, right?
Fuck that nigga. A part Trippie Redd, there you go telling the truth again, there you go snitch. All these rappers fuck Bad Baby while she was underage. Come on, next thing. Lil Durk was a nobody before he got the Drake stimulus package, right? He said nobody cared about you being platinum. Cause remember, I've been platinum before going to jail. These niggas is capping. Lil TJ almost lost his life in a fucking Chipotle, nigga. Getting a burrito. Why am I even beefing with him? Nigga lost his life over fucking a bowl. Lettuce, tomato, fucking, what's that shit called? The chicken we like? The Chipotle chicken? Nigga almost lost his life over fucking some Chipotle chicken, nigga. I'm not beefing with you, nigga.
You guys are both rappers.
But is Young Thug not in the same industry?
Yeah.
Why is King Von not saying nothing?
Okay. I'm not answering that question.